I'm from pianopicnic.com, and today I'm actually doing a guest resource pack for you musical you pianists. So let's get right into it. In this pack, we're going to be talking about improvisation, in particular with using a limited amount of notes. And the reason for this is improvisation can be so scary and intimidating when we first try to do it, even down the track. Even when we've been doing it for a long time, it's still really scary. But the thing is that improvisation on any instrument is so good a way to learn about music and about your instrument, and the skills that you learn in order to improvise well are also translate over to things like being able to write songs and also play by ear, which is what we're all here for. That there is no right or wrong in improvisation. It's about what you like and the choices that you make for what you are trying to create. You're in control here. No one else is. You are at that instrument and it is your playing field. So we've got 3 notes and I've got my rhythm. Long, long, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Right? And so we're going to go into the next bit, which is articulation.